Hey everybody, this video has been a long time coming, but I am finally getting to it. This is actually a phone cover for your iPhone Pro Max. So this is how the package look for anybody that wants to book me for sponsored videos. Please look in the description below and send me an email, and we will discuss the rates and the criteria that you expect and that I expect. And this is also the P.O. box if anybody wants to send me free gifts. A sister loves free gifts. And man, two people wrote me a PayPal letter, but I've been working so much I gotta figure out what I did with it. I forget about y'all. But man, our sister be doing a lot. Our sister do all this stuff by herself. So if you got, my phone is not charged, but if you got an iPhone Pro Max, that's what this is. This case should fit on there pretty cool. So let's open up the package. It came like this. You know, you just open it like you would any other package. And once you open the package, this is what it looks like. It is called Torras Screen Protector. It is simple but unique. You can get this off of Amazon, by the way. Amazon has everything. This is a Torras Screen Protector for iPhone. Exceed military grade shatter proof. Easier to install and bubble free. Shock proof. So that's all the stuff that it does. Oh, let's open this thing up. Man, guys, this is such a beautiful day today. Man, we in September right now, and this is Charlotte, North Carolina, and man, like, it feels really good today. But let me see. Torras is a minimalism lifestyle brand with the philosophy of curiosity, exploration, future. At Torras, we keep exploring users' needs to create products in line with future trends and provide quality life experience for global consumers. Yeah, but this is how it looks. This is how it looks coming out of the package. Oh wow, it comes with two. Comes with two screen protectors. You can't beat that. Okay. And it comes with two of them things. Oh wow. That's amazing. So if you break one screen protector, you always got another one. I can dig that. Oh wow, that's amazing. Thank you, Torras. I really appreciate that. But I think the screen protector I got on my phone, matter of fact, I don't have one on my phone. It cracked. All these screen protectors are definitely not, they're not unreliable. So let me take this old case, or should I say old outer box, off my current phone. And usually you can just peel, normally these things just peel off. So let's peel. I'm due to get another phone, honestly, because I think this phone pretty much done had it. I literally use all my phones for every single video. Like, I don't use no laptop, I don't use no desktop. Every video that y'all see, this phone right here has given y'all all the videos that y'all got from Keeping It 100. So I pretty much done peeled my phone out of my outer box. I'm gonna take this off, because this was actually for, what is it, phone holder thing that was a piece of crap. So let me take this off. This literally doesn't serve no purpose at all. Alright, so now I need to prepare my phone. Inside of this is everything that you need. It comes with the stuff, the wet wipes, because you know you want to prepare your phone. You want to prepare your phone for installation. This is the cloth to keep your, to keep the phone clean. And this is the wet wipe to wipe it off for installation. So let's get my phone prepped It's good to disinfect your phone from time to time anyway. From time to time, take your phone out of the case, get some little disinfectant wipes, and wipe your phone down. You know how many people touch, I don't know how many, well, I'm sure most people don't let nobody touch their phone. But even at that, I mean, I'm sure your hands ain't always clean to where this phone probably be sitting in nasty places or whatever. So take the time to take your phone out and disinfect your phone that I'm sure is your life. If you lost your phone or something happened to your phone, your world would be tore upside down. It comes with more wipes, more, you know, cloths. So let me disinfect my case too. Disinfect my case. Shoot, I damn near disinfect this case anyway, because y'all know the a bug. Y'all know these iPhone Pro Maxes are waterproof. I mean, they're not super waterproof to where you can just super leave your phone immersed in water. But if you just made a mistake and dropped your phone in water for just a little bit, it will still work. Like, you might have to let it dry out, but it will still work. That being said, just disinfect your cases and stuff from time. Due for another case too, if you ask me. Like this, I had this case for I had this phone for about 2 years, so I had this case for about the same. But so it comes with two. Okay, so you take your phone and you line the bottom up. You peel the front. You peel the front off. And then you make sure you line the bottom up. Try to have steady hands. And then you line it. Sometimes you got to readjust it. This part right here is supposed to help smooth out, because as you see it's not fully, you see the little bubbles. That's what this is for. So you just smooth it out until you see no more of those air pockets. Sometimes you gotta put just a little bit of pressure, because sometimes it gets a little stubborn with these air pockets. So you just want to get as much of these air pockets off as you can. So that way, you know, it's really on there, because you want to make sure you got a correct installation. Sometimes you might have to spend some time getting the bubbles out, and if you got OCD, you probably gonna be doing this for a while, trying to make sure you get every single little bubble. I can't seem to, I'm gonna have to lift this up. There we go. Let's try this again. Okay. And this is the finished product. This is the finished product. And the purpose of a screen protector is exactly what it says. It's supposed to protect your screen. So now I can reinstall my outer box with my iPhone. So you just pretty much kind of get it into a corner as much as you can. Slide it on in there. And you just kind of snap that baby back in there. Make sure all the buttons and stuff line up to the buttons on your phone. And sometimes that might make the bubbles come back, but you just use your thing to get the bubbles out once more. might have to spend some time trying to get the bubbles out as much as you want. Like I said, especially if you're an OCD person. You know, OCD people, they try to be perfect at everything they do as far as perfect. But there's really no such thing as perfect. They need to take that word out the dictionary. But this is pretty much the finished product. It seems like this might be a little bit too long for my phone. So when you order yours off of Amazon, make sure you put in the right phone you got, because you know you got the iPhone 10, iPhone 11, iPhone Pro Max. Like, you got different ones. So if you don't put in the right phone, then you're not going to get, you know, what you actually truly need for your model. And you want to make sure that you don't have no problems, because who wants to have to keep returning product because you didn't get what you wanted to get, you know, the first time. So I think this is just a little bit too long for my phone, but it does overall fit though. I just can't get all the air pockets out, but I still have a screen protector, so if I drop my phone, I have something on here that's still giving me some type of protection. I know I probably might just have to go home and cut it, because you can you know, just make it fit. So I probably just need to cut some of the excess off and then put it on. So I'll put the description of the Amazon link for yours at the bottom below. But like I said, make sure you put your right type of phone description in there, because obviously you don't want to have to go through trying to cut it into place and all this stuff. You want it to just fit on as it should. All right guys, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell. So if you like videos like this, you can catch more videos that I will upload. And if you want to donate to the channel, donations are always welcome. I love, you know, getting help from people. That helps support the channel. So you guys have a lovely, blessed day. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. So bye-bye.